First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. To design a t-shirt with Ideogram AI, start by deciding what kind of design you want to create. Think about the target audience, theme, colors, message, and overall style of the t-shirt. For example, you could create a minimalist streetwear design featuring bold typography, a simple geometric graphic, and a modern black and white color scheme. Now open the image generation area and write a detailed prompt. Describe the main graphic first, then explain the text, typography style, colors, composition, and overall t-shirt aesthetic. If you want specific words on the shirt, include the exact wording in your prompt. For example, you could request a bold headline that says, "Create your future," with clean modern lettering and a simple futuristic graphic underneath. Next, choose the available model, style, and aspect ratio settings. For a t-shirt graphic, an isolated composition can be useful because you'll usually want to place the design onto the shirt later. Generate several different concepts rather than choosing the first result. When the results appear, compare them carefully. Check the text for spelling, examine the graphic quality, and make sure the design isn't too complicated. A good t-shirt design should remain recognizable when printed and should match the style of the intended audience. If the result isn't right, improve your prompt. You can change the typography, illustration style, colors, layout, or overall theme and generate another version. Once you find a strong concept, use Ideogram's available editing or remixing tools to refine it. After that, download the design and, if necessary, remove the background or prepare the artwork in a graphics editor before placing it onto a t-shirt mockup. Finally, review the design at the size you plan to print and make sure all important details are clear. And that's how you can design t-shirt graphics with